Hello everyone, Miss Rita here. Children, today in this video we are going to learn about the practice set number 1.2. Now let's start the exercise. Question number 1 is given in your textbook. Complete the following table to draw a graph of the equation. Here only we have to complete the table. So our equations are given x plus y equal to 3 in the first activity. So here one box is given x, y and x comma y is given. If value of x is 3, we have to find the value of y, and x, y is given, means the first coordinate is for x, second coordinate is given, y value is given 0. So here answer will come 0, first one. The second one, x value is blank and the y value is given 5. And xy value we have to find. So here we need to solve the equation. The equation is given x plus y equal to 3. So y value is given what? 5. We'll substitute the y value 5. X plus 5 equal to 3. Plus 5 will go to the right side, become minus 5. It means x equal to 3 minus 5 we get minus 2. So here x value minus 2 will put. In the y value we have 5. So xy value is minus 2 and 5. And the third one is given. X value is blank and y value is given 3. Xy value is given 0 and 3. It means x value is 0 and y value is 3. So no need to solve over here. So answer with the red color I wrote down. Now student, second activity is given x minus y equal to 4 is the second equation, and the box is given x is blank and y is 0, xy we have to find. So here x value is not given and xy value is also not given. By putting the y value 0, we will find out the value of x. So here equation is given x minus y equal to 4. So y value is given what student in the first one? 0. Put y equal to 0 in the equation, x minus y equal to 4. So x minus y value is 0 equal to 4. So 0 will go to the right side, become plus 0. So 4 plus 0 is 4. It means x value is 4 value and y value is 0. So answer will be 4 and 0. The second one, it is given x value is minus 1, y value we have to find. Now xy value is not given. So equation is x minus y equal to 4. Substitute the x value is minus 1 is given. The place of x we will write minus 1 minus y equal to 4. So here minus 1 will go to the right side, become plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5, but y is given negative. So negative sign will go to the left side. Minus y will go to the right side and 5 will come to the left side. The 5 become minus 5. Therefore y equal to minus 5. It means our xy value is, x value is minus 1 and y value is minus 5. So here with the red color I have highlighted the answer. Draw the box. In the first one we have taken y value 1 and x value came 5. So 5, 1 is the coordinate. The second one y value we have taken 0. So x value we got 6. 6 and 0 is the coordinate. And the third one we took y value minus 2. So x value we got 8. So 8 is the x and minus 2 is the y value. So 8 and minus 2 is the coordinate. With the help of this one table, we will draw the one collinear line on the graph. We have two equations. The second equation same way we will solve. X minus y equal to 4. So here we will put the y equal to value. What we will take? 0. So x minus 0 equal to 4. Therefore x equal to 4 minus 0. X value became 4. Same way again we will take the equation. Put y equal to 1. So x minus 1 equal to 4. Minus 1 will go to the right side, become plus 1. Therefore 4 plus 1 became 5. Now the third we'll put the value y equal to minus 3. X minus 3 equal to 4. So minus plus 3 equal to 4. So plus 3 will go to the right side, become minus 3. Therefore x equal to 4 minus 3, we get the value 1. We'll draw the table, we'll substitute the value. In the first one we took the y value 0 and x value came 4. In the second one y value we have taken 1. So x value came 5. The third one y value we have taken minus 3. So x value came 1. With the help of these two boxes which we have filled, we'll draw the graph. So here, question number 2, the first one which we have solved, we got the coordinate. From the first, we'll draw the collinear line. The first one is given x value is 5 and the y value is 1. We'll substitute the point on the graph. 6 and 0 means that lie on the x-axis. The third one we got 8 and minus 2. X value is 8 and y value is minus 2. All the 3 points should be collinear. Draw the line and write the equation. Same way for the second one. X value is 4, y value is 0. The x value is 5 and the y value is 1. So x value is 1 and the y value is minus 3. With the help of these 3 points, we will draw one collinear line. If the points fall in the collinear line, means the equation you have solved is correct. After drawing the line, you have to write the equation on that. Where these two lines intersect, the point 5 and 1. So 5 and 1 is the solution of the equation. Same way we will solve the equation number 2. Second one is given x plus y equal to 5. That is equation number 1. With the help of this equation, again we will solve. Substitute y equal to 1 in the equation. X plus 1 equal to 5. So plus 1 will go to the right side, become minus 1. So x value we got 4. Now we will take the same equation, put y equal to 0. So x plus 0 equal to 5. We get x value is 5. X plus y equal to 5. Now we will take y equal to minus 2. So minus 2 will go to the right side, become plus 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Therefore x equal to 7. We'll fill all these x and y values in the boxes to draw the graph. Now we will solve the second equation of the question number 2. X minus y equal to 3. So x minus y equal to 3. Here y equal to 0 we will take. So student, here what happened? You have to take the values between 5, positive 5 to negative 5. You can take 0, minus 1, minus 2, depend on you. So now we are taking y equal to 0. So x minus 0 equal to 3. Therefore x value became 3 minus 0 is 3. Now we will put y equal to 1. So x minus 1 equal to 3, minus 1 go to the right side, become plus 1. Therefore x equal to 4. Same way we will solve the third one. X minus y equal to 3. We will take the value of y minus 3. So randomly I am taking any values. You can take any one. I am taking minus 3. It's not compulsory to take minus 3 only. You can take any values and find out the values of other variable. So minus plus 3 will go to the right side, become minus 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now fill the boxes. Now after filling the boxes, we have to draw the graph of second one. These are, we got the values in the graph. Take the points and draw the collinear lines. With the second box, all the 3 points we have to plot on a graph paper and draw the collinear line and write the equation on that. Where these two lines intersect on 4 and 1. is the solution of the equation. Intersection of these two lines where they meet is the solution. Now third one is given x plus y equal to 0. So student, here y value we have taken minus 1. So minus 1 will go to the right side, become plus 1. So x value became positive 1. X plus y equal to 0. So here y value we are taking 0. So x value became 0 minus 0 is 0. The third one we are taking what? Y equal to 2. So x plus 2 equal to 0. So plus 2 will go to the right side, become minus 2. So x equal to minus 2. Substitute the value in the boxes. Same way we will solve the second equation also of the question number 3. So 2x minus y equal to 9. So here x value what we will take? 0. 2 multiplied by 0 minus y equal to 9. 2 0 ja 0. Minus y equal to 9. Now minus y equal to 9 we have the value. So it will interchange. The minus sign will go to the 9. Therefore y equal to minus 9. Now student, 2x minus y equal to 9 is the equation. Now we will take the x value will be 1. Substitute the value 1 and here we get 2 minus y equal to 9. So minus y equal to 9 minus 2 we get 7. So y equal to, the minus sign will go to the 7, become minus 7. Third one, here x value we will take 5. 2 into 5 minus y equal to 9. 2 5 is 10 minus y equal to 9. So 10 will go to the right side, become minus 10. Minus y equal to minus 1. So minus minus cut, therefore y value equal to 1. Fill the answer in the boxes to plot the point on the graph paper. So here, third one, these are the, we got the points, we'll draw the graph based on this given point. So where these points intersect each other at 3 and minus 3 is the solution of the equation. Is that clear? So the plotting is very easy, which we have learned in the previous class. So plot the point on that and draw the line which will be collinear. Collinear, if the points will collinear, then we can say that the graph is correct. Now the fourth one, 3x minus y equal to 2 is the equation number 1. So we will put the value x equal to 1. So now 3 1 is 3 minus y equal to 2. So 2 is given the right side, is in the positive, will come to the left side, become negative. 3 minus 2 is 1. So y value is 1. Same way we will solve the second one. So x value will take 0. Same way we will solve. So here y value came minus y equal to 2. It means y equal to minus 2. Minus sign will go to the 2. Now third, 3x minus y equal to 2. So here x value what we are taking now? 2. 3 into 2 minus y equal to 2. 3 2 is 6 minus y equal to 2. Now minus y will go to the right side, become positive y. And 2 become negative 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. Therefore y equal to 4. Substitute the value in the table to draw the graph. The second equation of the question number 4 is 2x minus y equal to 3. So 2x minus y equal to 3, here we will take x equal to 0. Same way we have to solve. So here y value came what? Minus 3. Now we will put the x equal value is 1. 2 into 1 minus y equal to 3. 2 1 is 2 minus y equal to 3. So minus y equal to 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So minus sign will go to the right side, become minus 1. Now third one, 2x minus y equal to 3. Put x value is 5. 2 5 is 10. So minus y will go to the right side, become positive 5, and 10 minus 3 is 7. Minus cut became positive 7. Substitute the value in the table to draw the graph. Now let's move to the next slide to draw the graph, where these 2 points are intersecting here on minus 1 and minus 5. It's the solution of the equation. Okay, which with the arrow I have highlighted. Now fifth one, 3x minus 4y equal to minus 7 is the equation number 1 of question number 5. So here put x equal to minus 1. So 3 1 is 3, minus 1 is given, so minus 3 minus 4 y equal to minus 7. So minus 7 will come to the left side, become plus 7. 7 minus 3 is 4 equal to 4y. Now y equal to 4 upon 4, therefore y equal to 1. Same way we will solve the second one. Put the x value is 3. 3 3 is 9, minus 4y equal to minus 7. So minus 7 will come to the where left side become plus 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. Now y equal to 16 divided by 4. 4 1 is 4, 4 4 is 16. It means y value is 4. Now 3x minus 4y equal to minus 7 is the equation. And here we are going to take x value is minus 5. 3 multiplied by minus 5 minus 4y equal to minus 7. 3 5 is 15, but it is given in the negative, so minus 15. So minus 7 will come to the left side, become plus 7. Here we get minus 8 equal to 4y. So now y equal to minus 8 upon 4, we get 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. But 8 is given in the negative, so answer is minus 2. Substitute the value in the boxes to draw the graph. The second equation of the question number 5 is 5x minus 2y equal to 0. Same way we will solve these sums. X value we are going to take 0. So here y value we get what? Minus 3. If we take x value 1, then we get the y value is what? Negative 1. And third one, 2x minus y equal to 3. So here student we are going to take x value is 5. 2 into 5 minus y equal to 3. 2 5 is 10 minus y equal to 3. So minus y equal to 3. 10 will go to the right side, become minus 10. So minus y equal to minus 7. Minus minus cut. Y value is 7. Substitute the value in the boxes to draw the graph. Now student will draw the graph. So here these are our coordinate to draw the graph. So here we made the graph. Intersection of these two line is 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is the solution of equation. The last sum is question number 6. 2x minus 3y equal to 4 is the first equation. We'll solve this first equation while taking the y value is 4. 2x minus 3 into y value is 4 equal to 4. 3 4 is 12. Minus 12 will go to the right side, become plus 12. Became 16. So x equal to 16 divided by 2, we get value 8. Same way we will solve the second one. Y value we are taking 0. So here 3 0 is 0. So here we have 2, x equal to 4. Therefore x equal to 4 divided by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. Now the third one, 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Here we will take y value is 2. So 2x minus 3 into 2 equal to 4. 3 2 is 6. Minus 6 will go to the right side, become plus 6. So 10 divided by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10. Fill the boxes with the given value what we have taken and what we got to draw the graph. The second equation of the question number 6 is 3y minus x equal to 4. So here we will take the value of y equal to 0. 3 into 0 minus x equal to 4. 3 0 is 0. Minus x equal to 4. So here minus x equal to 4 became, minus sign will go to the right side. So x equal to minus 4. Same way we have done the second one. Here we are going to take y value equal to 1. So here we get the x value is minus 1. The third one we have taken y value is 2. While substituting the y value of y2, we get the value of x is x equal to 2. Fill all the coordinate in the boxes to draw the graph. So here question number 261, these are the coordinate we got. With the help of this coordinate plotting on the graph, we get the graph. These two graphs intersect at 8 and 4. That is our solution of the equation. I hope you have understood these all sums. And thank you for watching this video.